Welcome back everybody to another episode of Try New Things. Today I'm going to give you an update on what's been happening out on the farm this week. It's been quite a bit, so stay tuned. I'll let you know right after this intro. There's a row of trees here. You see that, and bucket number 3 is overflowing. Oh my gosh. The first thing that's obvious that's happened this week is it snowed. As you can see, light dusting of snow here on the farm, very pretty. But it's going to make things a little bit sloppy for my cleanup effort. But very happy to do that. This week, a couple of major things have taken place. One is my friend John has come out and done me a really big favor and has cut down my big trees. So if you recall in a previous episode, I talked about the big trees that were in the footprint or near the footprint of the new workshop, and he's come out and cut those down. Additionally, he's brought out his big stump grinder and has taken care of the stumps on the site, which I would like to have shown you, but it's pretty much covered up with snow now. But trust me, where there was a stump, there is no longer a stump. So he's done an excellent job taking care of the trees and the stumps for me. I just have to clean up what's left, which I'm definitely looking forward to doing. In addition to that, the power company came out getting ready to bring in temp power, and they mentioned they had to trim a couple trees, but they certainly did more than that. So all along this entire fence line, they've chopped off the trees just above the fence. But really excited to see they've cut up all my wood into firewood for me, so I just have to move it. Another thing that happened this week is I came out to check on John and the stumps and the trees and checked my sap buckets on the maple trees, and they were full. So stay tuned, watch for an episode on us boiling down for hours the sap and how that turned out. And I also got to meet my neighbor Hugh, who owns it's about 170 acre farm that backs up against the property. Really nice gentleman. Also has a collection of antique cars apparently, so looking forward to see those someday. But it's time to get to work, and let's start cleaning this place up. All right, time for a quick break. Just got done cleaning up all the wood on the fence line where the utility company came in and cut down the trees for the temp power. Ended up with quite a stack of wood. Let me show you here. It's kind of 2 tiers, and then there's one on the back of really short stubby pieces. But yeah, quite a lot of work. A lot of trailer loads to get everything from there to here. But now it's time to start clearing the trees that John cut down for me, so lots of work left to do. that just about wraps it up for this weekend. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Got quite a bit done this week. If you recall, John came out, cut down 3 of my big trees. Also, the utility company came out and really cleared a bunch of trees in preparation for the temp power. After that, I got all the wood cleaned up from the utility, and then got a good start on cleanup from the trees that John cut down for me. So that last big log, I can't roll with simple leverage, so I'm going to need something a little bit bigger to move that one out of the way. Second tree's about half done, and the third tree not quite started yet. But I'm pleased with the results so far. I got myself a couple big logs and a big old wood pile and a muddy Jeep. Can't be happier. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to hit subscribe. Don't be afraid to hit like and leave some comments. And if you've watched more than one of my videos, go ahead and hit subscribe as well, so you can catch future episodes. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. But before I go, there's a couple subscribers I'd like to thank personally. They're always adding some really good comments to the videos. So Shelly and Quentin, thank you very much. Bonnie and Jim as well, Wayne, and of course Larry. Thanks for your comments. Keep them coming, and we'll see you in the next video.